Hey guys, Sandra here from Gitana Styling and the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this page where I am offering you to join our vault. I am a person who loves planning and who loves organization and who loves printables. And that's why I created the vault. These are the tools that I have used in my business that I use day in and day out to keep myself organized, to have my ideas in paper organized, and to move forward. I'm a solopreneur right now. I do hire people from time to time to help me with particular tasks, but the way to stay organized for me is using all these different tools. So right now you can see a list of all the workbooks, planners, worksheets, etc. that I have included, and as time goes by I'm going to continue to add new ones, and you're not going to have to pay whatever you pay today, which today obviously is the lowest price ever, right? Because it might increase over time as I get way more printables, but how it is right now is the only thing you're going to pay, and you're going to continue to get updates on the new files, and you're always going to have access to them. So if you're interested, I'm super thrilled to have you inside the vault. You are going to get access to a website where you can download them all, or you can just come back and forth and download as you need. If you use something and then you want a new copy, you can just go back in and download it. And like I said, whenever I create a new one, I'm going to send you an email with an update so you can download it, right? And yeah, that's it. I'm just so excited to continue to create this. This is something that I really love, and I continue to create them for our Etsy shop, but I wanted to create an option for people who are like me, who love printables, and it's better for them to just spend like a one-time fee and then get access to lifetime access to these printables. So yeah, if you're interested, let me know and I'll see you inside. Okay, bye guys.